So I'm having a little issue with this Husky central vac power nozzle. It has a dirt sensor on it, which I've shown you before in another video. But when the vacuum cleaner is running, it seems to always be on recently. So I got a feeling there's some sort of dirt sensor inside that when it comes in contact or when dirt passes it, it lights up. It triggers the light to turn on. So I'll just show you what I mean here, and it stays on fairly often. So the carpet is actually pretty clean here, so I'm just going to give it a quick look over and see if I can figure out what's going on. So when you're doing anything underneath the power nozzle, don't just turn off the vacuum cleaner. You're actually going to want to remove the power. So take this out, and you're actually going to use that to clean underneath. So just turn it over, and if you have any here along here, just there's some in here, just pull that out. That's a good way to start making a pile there. There's also a little trap door right here. Pop that open, you can see there's a little bit of dirt in there, so just reach in there and pull out dirt. So I'm just going to give this a quick vacuum, and of course when you have cats, it makes things all that much more furry and dirty around the house. So I'm just going to turn this on and clean it up. So once that's clear, you want to check in here. So you just release this. Oh, so there's one obvious issue here. There's a cat toy. So when you have cats, you have fur and dirt and toys. You want to have a look in there to make sure that's clean all the way through. And then you want to remove your cat toy from there. And also, if you can see this, there's actually quite a bit of cat fur inside. Quite a bit. It just keeps coming and coming here. Another culprit. So yeah, you want to get that cleaned out. I'm actually just going to put the vacuum cleaner onto it and see if that will take care of it. Alright, so that should take care of that. Alright, let's give that a try. There's actually quite a bit of dirt here from where I was just cleaning it out, so let's get that cleaned up. The dirt sensor seems to be back to normal. Alright, and problem solved. So that concludes this video. If you want to see what else I'm up to on my channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks.